Hi students, today we are going to solve the multiple choice questions in the chapter Ray Optics for class 12. The first sum is, a rod of length 10 centimeter lies along the principal axis of a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter in such a way that its end closer to the pole is 20 centimeter away from the mirror. Then the length of the image has to be determined. It is a very brilliant sum which is mostly asked in the competitive exams like the NEET and the JEE. Now, for every sum, if you draw the ray diagram, it will be better. Now you can see there is a concave mirror. P is the pole of the mirror. And a straight line passing through the principal focus, center of curvature and the pole of the mirror, no, that is called as the principal axis. You can see that there is a rod AB. So it is a cylindrical rod. AB is placed on the principal axis. You know that the rod is having two ends. Okay, one end is closer to the pole. That end is here denoted as B. The other end, farther end, okay, A. That end is a little greater distance, okay, from the pole. So which end of the rod is closer to the pole? That is B. Which end of the rod is farther from the pole? That is A. And the distance is given such that the closer end B of the rod is at a distance of 20 centimeter. Can you see that this is 20 centimeter? So B is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter. And the length of the rod is how much? The length of the rod is 10 centimeter. So you must first understand that the closer end B is at a distance of 20 centimeter from the pole, and the farther end A is at a distance of 20 plus 10, that is 30 centimeter from the pole. This is the first understanding. Next one is, what are all the informations given in the problem? First of all, you see that the focal length is 10 centimeter. So for the mirror, for this concave mirror, the focal length of the concave mirror is equal to 10 centimeter. But this 10 centimeter by sign convention it is minus 10. Why? Because the curved surface is facing towards the left. So if you want to measure the focal length, the distance from the pole P to the principal focus F, you have to travel in the left hand side. That is in a direction opposite to the direction of light. When you travel, the distance is negative according to the sign conventions. So the focal length of this concave mirror F is what? Minus 10 centimeter. Understand? Okay. Now what is the radius? Radius of curvature then equal to radius of curvature is equal to 2 times F. So this is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Is it not? The radius of curvature is twice the focal length. So radius of curvature also by the sign convention you have to measure in the left hand side against the direction of light. So it is also minus 20. So now in this sum, where is the position of the end B of the rod? The position B is at a distance of 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter is equal to the radius of curvature of the concave mirror. So you can assume that this point B is in front of the pole at a point equal to the center of curvature. So this point only is called the center of curvature. So I am going to consider this entire rod as two objects. One object is B, the other object is considered to be A. Okay. So B is an object which is closer to the pole, A is an object which is farther to the pole of the mirror. So I am going to do the sum in two steps. So first for the end, okay, for the end B of the rod, okay, for the end B of the rod. So this is object distance. So object distance is equal to what? Object distance is equal to 20 centimeter. So this is 20 centimeter is minus 20 centimeter. So image distance also is equal to what? Minus 20 centimeter, because the object is placed at C. Okay, because object is at C. So when you consider the point B, the end point B as an object, it is placed at C, the center of curvature of the mirror. Therefore, the image distance also will be what at the same point. Understand? Now, like that, I am going to consider the end A. So, for the end A. Okay, for the end A, so what is the object distance, you tell me? A is at what distance from P? P to A is equal to what? 20 plus 10 is 30 centimeter. By sign convention, it is minus 30. So here, object distance is equal to what? Minus 30 centimeter. So this you have to understand first. Then we have to find what? The image distance. So we have to find where is the image of this end A will be formed. I am going to find out. So for that, F is equal to what? Focal length is given as minus 10 centimeter. So this is a minus 10 centimeter. So I am going to use the mirror formula. So from the mirror formula, this 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. So 1 by V is now equal to 1 by F is what? Minus 1 by 10. So this is minus 1 by 10. Minus of 1 by U is minus 1 by 30. Minus 1 by 30. So this minus of minus will become what? A plus. Therefore 1 by V is equal to 1 by 30 minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 10. So the LCM is what? 30. LCM is 30. So I will take this is 30 and this is 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3. Okay. Therefore 1 by V is now equal to 1 minus 3 is what? Minus 2. So this is equal to minus 2 divided by 30. This is equal to minus 1 by 15. Or V, the image distance is equal to minus 15 centimeter. Okay. So this is minus 15 centimeter. So already we have considered the end B as an object and the image of B is formed at the same point. Okay, the image of B is formed at the same point. So I have to draw a picture like this so that the image, okay, the image of this rod will be formed like this. So this is the image of the rod. So that this end is B dash. So B dash is the image of B. When B is at C, B dash will also be at C. Then this is the image of A. The image of A, the image of this A is formed at A dash. Okay. So A dash is A dash. This distance is how much? 15 centimeter. So the distance from P up to B dash or P up to B is 20 centimeter. And the distance from P to A dash is how much? 15 centimeter. Therefore, image, okay, size of image, okay, size of image must be equal to, size of image must be equal to, that is A dash, B dash. Size of the image must be equal to what? A dash, B dash, that is equal to 20 minus 15. Understand? So this is 20 minus 15. So this is equal to 5 centimeter. 20 minus 15 is 5 centimeter. So when you place a cylindrical rod like this AB such that one end is closer to the pole and the other end is farther from the pole, we find that the image is formed at B dash A dash and the size of the image is equal to how much? 5 centimeter. So in the four options now, option B is 5 centimeter. Therefore option B is the right answer. So the correct answer is option B. So once again I am highlighting the important points here. First you have to write the given quantities such as the focal length of the mirror and its radius of curvature. Then you have to draw the diagram so correctly. Understand? So whenever you draw the diagram, half the problem will be solved easily. And also I told you the rod is having two end points. One is B, which is closer to the pole. The other end is A, which is farther from the pole. Assume these two as the point objects and find the image distances. So B is kept at 2F, that is center of curvature. So B dash is the image of B formed below B itself. But A is at a greater distance, and it is at a distance of 30 centimeter. And now for that you have to find the image distance. So A is the point object, means A dash its image. Its image is formed at 15 centimeter from the pole. So 20 minus 15 must be the size of the image. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.